Hey, it's Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'm happy to introduce our new Delta Force cooler intake for the 2011 to 2016 Ford F250 and F350, both equipped with a 6.2 liter gas motor. But please check our website for more details. Now, these Delta Force cooler intakes have a black powder coated heat shield, reinforced silicone couplers, all stainless steel hardware, and all systems feature an ultra-trick looking durable cross-linked polyethylene intake tube with a nice Flowmaster logo right in the center. Along with the large high-flow conical shaped filter, it's an 8-layer cotton gauze air filter, ensuring that it will trap more dust and dirt particles than your typical 6-layer filter. This is a 100% direct bolt-on to the vehicle and is backed up by a lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. All Flowmaster products are dyno tuned during the development phases for maximum power gains and efficiency. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get this installed on this Ford F250 here. Okay, today we're in the shop. We got a 2014 Ford F250 equipped with a 6.2 liter motor. We're gonna get that old airbox assembly off, and we're gonna put on the new Delta Force cooler intake. So let's get started. Okay, first we'll disconnect the sensor, loosen up the clamp at the airbox, loosen up the clamp right here on this intake tube. We're gonna go ahead and unsnap this top lid, loosen up this hose on the holder. We're gonna remove the 2 bolts, one on each side, disconnect the 2 hoses right here, and there's 1 clamp on the back side, and then we're gonna remove this top linen box. Okay, next we'll wiggle the intake tube off the throttle body up here. Now we'll remove the hose from the airbox here. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull this hose up off the holder. Okay, now we're going to unsnap the airbox cover and remove this. And then we'll go ahead and remove the filter. Okay, now with that clamp loose back there, now go ahead and wiggle this off the throttle body. Now we're ready to go ahead and install this in the vehicle. Okay, we'll go ahead and hinge it here, top of the box. And then we'll go ahead and connect it here on the throttle body. Okay, that concludes our installation here on our Delta Force cooler intake for the 2011 to 2016 Ford F250s and F350s, both equipped with a 6.2 liter motor. Now, the installation time on this is roughly about 45 minutes to an hour. For a full detailed video on how the installation goes, please check out our Flowmaster YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and I'm going to hit the highway. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.